Want to take your game day gear to the next level? I'm using the Procolored VF13 Pro UV DTF Printer to make full-color, waterproof, stick-anywhere decals that work on cowbells, water bottles, tumblers, earrings, and so much more, all without heat pressing or weeding vinyl.
Hey, I'm Jennifer with Pigskins and Pigtails. Normally I'm screen printing all of my game day gear, but this season Procolored sent me this VF13 printer to expand the number of items I can personalize. UV DTF stands for ultraviolet direct to film. This is different from DTF printers that you use to make t-shirts.
The ink hardens instantly when exposed to the UV light, making ultra durable stickers that can be used on acrylic, metal, plastic, glass, and wood. It prints your design in full color onto a sticky adhesive film, then layers a protective laminate over the top all in one step with no messy powders. Once it finishes printing, all you have to do is peel off the backing and use it just like a sticker. But the difference is in the detail, durability, and the variety of surfaces it sticks to. The Procolored VF13 Pro prints CMYK plus white ink and a UV varnish in a single pass. It starts with a base of white that makes your colors really stand out. Then it finishes with a UV layer to add a protective coating for durability.
To show you the variety of ways you can use this, let's look at what I'm creating for game day this year. First up, cowbells. In Texas, these are popular for Friday night football. Since these are an item I really couldn't screen print, before this printer I would have used adhesive vinyl, but that's a ton of time weeding and layering. Plus it could peel up pretty easily. Now I can just stick a full color design that wraps all the way around the bell. This is so much more efficient. Plus these results are more professional. This decal is scratch resistant and it's not going to peel up halfway through the season.
I wouldn't recommend putting them in the dishwasher, but they are waterproof and very durable when hand washing. They wrap around curved tumblers, cups, and mugs nicely, so if you want full color designs on any color tumbler, UV DTF is the way to go to get these kind of results. Even tiny pieces like these acrylic earrings, this printer can handle those fine details because there's no weeding. It makes applying these really easy. If you have a laser machine, imagine all the possibilities of printing decals to go on top of your acrylic cutouts.
UV DTF not only stands out because of the full color designs you can put on any color blank, but a huge benefit to the process is the durability. Once these decals go on, they aren't going to peel up like vinyl. The UV coating adds a scratch resistance. These are items that you can sell with confidence, knowing you're personalizing items that are going to hold up.
This is not a craft machine. This is really a workhorse. If you're running a small business or customizing products to sell, this can be a powerful addition to your setup. The first thing to keep in mind is that this is a big machine. It's just shy of 30 inches wide by 14 inches tall. For the base, you're going to need a table or cart that is at least 16 inches deep, but with the rolls attached to the back, it takes up about 32 inches from back to front. I've got mine set up on a rolling IKEA cart, and that works perfectly. Just know that you'll need a dedicated spot in your workspace.
It also has a smart white ink circulation system and an auto clean feature that runs every 10 hours so that the ink stays fresh and doesn't clog your lines. This means you need to keep your machine running 24/7. It's not super loud, but it is something that I can hear running. If you're printing consistently, this is an investment that will pay for itself in the versatility and quality of the things that you can make. Just like adding any new machine to my business, the setup and learning a new software takes some patience, but once you get it dialed in, the process is really simple to print. Something important to note is that the Procolored software only works with Windows machines. I was able to use Mac Boot Camp utility, which is built into Intel-based Macs. I purchased a Windows 10 license and I can run the software from my older MacBook.
To print, I just open the ProRip software. I add my PNG files and resize them to what I want to print. You can add as many files as you want or duplicate the same file easily. When I have all my files added, hit the Rip button, and I've left the print settings to the default. Hit print, and that's it.
For me, the learning curve was really just in the assembly and initial setup. I found Procolored Support to be quick and helpful. When I got stuck with the software setup, it was late at night, and I was surprised that they were available online. One of the techs remotely accessed my computer and took over the setup for me. After that quick session, I was up and running, and it's been really easy to operate. And I've been so excited about all the new things I can personalize with this addition to my business. If you're looking to level up your game day merch or take custom orders for items beyond t-shirts, this printer gives you pro-level quality from your own workspace. Got questions about this printer or want to see more project ideas? Drop them in the comments and be sure to follow me on social media to see the new things I'm making.